Learning gives creativity, and creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. A very good morning to all. I, Princey Randhawa, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering and also the coordinator of this FDP, welcome you all in this inaugural ceremony of 5 days virtual ATAL Faculty Development Program on industrial application of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is organized by Department of Mechatronics, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering.
So I'm Vijay Shantagiri. I'm from Bangalore, and as my sir introduced me, I have a small startup in Bangalore and a second startup which is recently just called Certishort.com. So today I've been invited to give you a glimpse or an introduction to machine learning and AI.
So today we will have a talk on the topic. I'm sure you already aware about this. So intelligent approaches for the pandemic outbreak management lessons and the way ahead.
So we'll be talking about time series forecasting for financial applications. The agenda which I'll be covering is initially I'll be giving you a complete basic knowledge of time series forecasting. And then I'll be talking about financial applications. We'll be taking a project related to Sensex, BSE Sensex data, and how do we actually forecast stock markets. So at the end, I'm going to give you a little hands-on on stock market prediction.
So we are going to talk about AI, the disruptive technologies, particularly in relation to naval operations, what happens in naval operations, right from the nation's topmost office like the PMO's office to a fleet ship, and how this we are transforming into a digital service. So
today our agenda is we try to understand some aspects of machine learning so that we can make intelligent systems there, and then what are the different components of machine learning, what is the progress, how you can use it, and then later I'll take few case studies where we have successfully implemented. EV will be a part of it, so we can discuss there itself in a detail that how we can apply machine learning to EV.
I'm Shambhur, Assistant Professor in Mechatronics in University, Jaipur, and I've been working in the field of mostly signal processing or data pre-processing for machine learning data. And while working on it, I came across many algorithms that require, for data pre-processing or for the signal processing, what we do for machine learning. We often require these machine learning algorithms for processing those data itself.
So today we plan to discuss something that I have worked on for the last few years, which is enabling AI in embedded devices.
So today I'll be touching upon how can we use this variables, how can we use this AI in wearable technology. So I'll be covering these topics like what is wearable technology, what is the history, and why wearables are important. And the most important thing, we'll also study the different kinds of fabric sensors which we can use for the wearables. And then how can we select those sensors, like what should be the criteria for the selection of the sensors. And then after the selection of the sensors, how can we integrate those sensors to make the wearables, and how can we collect the data from those sensors to do some kind of analysis on them. And then after we get the data, how can we apply those algorithms, what are the different algorithms we can use to classify that data from the various sensors. And finally, we'll see the feature engineering, like how.
I'm Vinay Shantagiri. I'm a UX consultant working for a company called Slalom. Solemn Consulting. It's based out of California.
My name is Avinash and I have been an art of living trainer since last 14 years. I have completed my engineering graduation degree from Mumbai University long time back, and since then I have been a part of Link Art of Living. So today's session I think is called as stress management. Yes.
Today the topic is related with my domain itself, that is cybersecurity. I'll be just discussing in detail about the cybersecurity.
Every beginning has an end, and every end is a new beginning. A very good evening to all. This is Princy Randhawa, FDP coordinator and the moderator for today's valedictory session. I welcome all the dignitaries, our chief guest, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director, AICTE-ATAL Academy, our Honorable President, Dr. G.K. Prabhu, Co-President, Dr. N.N. Sharma, our Honorable Registrar, Dr. Neetu Bhatnagar, Dean of Faculty Engineering, Dr. Jagannath Korodi, the Director of SAM, Dr. Shiv Prasad, HODs, my dear colleagues, and all the participants from different prestigious institutions across India. I welcome you all for valedictory ceremony of ATAL FDP, which is titled as Industrial Application of Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence. We are very grateful to have you all in this valedictory ceremony. This faculty development program was aimed to enrich the knowledge of participants through interaction with eminent personalities who hail from academics and various industries. To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. So with these words, I would like to introduce our today's chief guest, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, who is currently working as Assistant Director in AICTE Training and Learning Academy at AICTE Headquarters, New Delhi.
It is my humble request to all the faculty members, all the participants, all the administrations, respect yourself and love yourself. Your energy should be high. When your energy will be high, I'm telling, there is no doubt, no irritation, no anger. When your energy is low, every time you feel doubt, irritation, please don't go in competition. Go in contribution. If you are competition, you will enjoy your life. Say yes every time. When you are saying yes, your conscience have broadened. When you are saying no, your conscience have contract.
So with this now I am signing off. I wish all the best to all the participants for their future endeavors. Thank you, sir, and thank you once again, Girdhari sir, for sparing your time and giving your time for this FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shiv Prasad sir.